They said AI would take jobs. We say it's already clocked in, not as a threat, but as a force multiplier. The old world fears it. We dance with it. Because the nation of execution isn't waiting for approval. We've architected a system that co-builds with intelligence, not runs from it. While the world debates disruption, we train with our AI execution co-pilots. We don't ask if they'll replace us. We ask how far we can go with them. This is not the age of resistance. This is the era of augmented action. And to those still treating AI like a headline, we say this: the interns have arrived, and they never sleep.